How you can make $100 a day by removing backgrounds. What's up, guys? This is Lambo P with Love here from Blueprint Your Mind, the channel that is dedicated to teaching you how to create multiple streams of income using digital and affiliate marketing. And if you're looking to fire your boss in 2023, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content, and smash like on this video if you believe it to be valuable. Now, getting online and start making an income has become one of the most lucrative opportunities for people today. And the way that you could generate income has become more and more easier due to the fact that technology just keeps advancing. And I've been helping people generate an income online by utilizing digital and affiliate marketing after I actually cracked the code back in 2021. Being able to generate over 6 figures in sales for my affiliate partner and also accomplishing over $80,000 worth of direct sales for my own product. And I want to be able to help you as well get started online. So today I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day just from removing backgrounds on videos. So what you want to do is head over to a website called canva.com. And Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool. So even if you have no previous design experience, you can come to Canva and you will be able to create everything from social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, you name it, Canva has it. Okay, so in order for you to start removing backgrounds out of videos, the first thing that you need to do is understand what type of video are you looking to remove the background on. So for the sake of this video, I am just going to choose a TikTok video. After choosing TikTok video, Canva is going to give you a lot of different templates that you can use in order to create a TikTok video. But I'm just going to show you how you're going to utilize Canva in order for you to start making money online immediately. The first step after you've selected a blank template, you want to go to the upload tab that you see here on the left-hand toolbar. Then what you want to do is locate the video that you want to remove the background from. So you're going to come here to upload files. This is where you're going to get a chance to select the video that you would like to remove the background from. After you have uploaded your video into Canva, all you want to do is click the video itself. That way it loads the video onto the canvas. Step number 2, you want to click on the video to where you see the play button here, and you see the duplicate tool and the trash tool. Then you want to come up here to the top where it says edit video, and you want to click here. Now, this is for Canva Pro users. If you do not have Canva Pro, don't worry. I left a link in the description for you to sign up for Canva Pro. It's very affordable software for you to use. But this is for Canva Pro members. All you have to do is come here to where it says tools and it says background remover. Once you click that, Canva is going to remove the background from your video, so you can change the colors, or you can add any type of effects that you would like to add to the video. So now you're probably thinking, well, Lambo, how am I supposed to monetize this and make money? Glad that you asked that question, because at the very end of the video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you're going to be able to make money. So all you want to do now is you want to scale the video to where it fits the entire frame of the canvas, as you see here. Then what you want to do is go down to share and you click download and download this to your device. Now, in order to monetize this skill set, you're going to actually go to a different website to post what we call a gig in order to get people to hire you to remove the background from their videos. And the website that you want to visit is called Fiverr.com. And Fiverr is a website that connects businesses with freelancers that's offering digital services in over 500 categories. In order to make money online using this skill set, what you want to do is research how much money are people making from removing backgrounds out of videos. So what you want to do is go to Fiverr.com and you want to type in the words remove background from video. Now Fiverr is going to pull up a ton of different people that will remove the backgrounds from your videos at a cost. So as you can see here, this person is charging $30 in order to remove a background from a video. Then you have this person for 10, this person for 10, this person for 10. So roughly people are charging around $10 in order to remove the background from a video.
So if you look at how much time it actually took to remove the background from Canva, you are able to do this particular job in less than 5 minutes, which means that you could actually take 10 clients a day in order to remove backgrounds from their videos so you can make $100 a day.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. And if you found value, don't forget to smash like on this video. Comment below what was your biggest takeaway from this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content, because I am looking to help the first 1,000 people walk away from their 9-to-5 jobs so they can fire their boss and live the life of time and financial freedom. And if you're looking for the fastest way to make $10,000 online, I left a link below in the description. All you have to do is click that link, and I'll see you guys in the next video.